we're going to try this setup again, see what's what here. No, you ain't starting Windows Dodo. Anyway, it should come up this screen right here, as you can see, which that's what we want right here. I gotta get to where I have to redo it factory default. They ain't done it in quite a while, so over a year. Done it once or twice on here, and that's about it. So okay, system restore. No, I want system recovery. Yep, here it is. Restore your computer to its original factory state. This process reinstalls the original factory shipped software. All user credit or created files and programs installed after purchase will be lost. Back up your files first recommended, or recover without backing up your files. To continue, select an option and then click next. Recover without backing up your files, because I already got them, everything I need saved on my external. So restore your computer to its original factory state. All devices should be disconnected from the PC except for the keyboard, mouse, and monitor. Failure to disconnect the device may cause the recovery to fail. And remember this if you ever have to do this. So this is a little video to show you how to do all this. And I'm going to hit OK. Recovery Manager will reset the hard drive to factory condition. User data and hard drive changes will be lost. That's fine. But before you do any of this, always make sure you go ahead and start saving everything off your computer onto one of these. You know, this is a 500 gigabyte Toshiba hard drive, external hard drive with USB. So anyway, get you one of these at 50-60 bucks. You know, it'll save you a lot of time and don't lose nothing. Alright, here we go. Okay. And factory image restore, reformatting the Windows partition of your hard disk drive, reinstalling original software. Please wait. I know it might be a little hard, difficult to see, but you know, that's alright. But this is what the recovery manager thing is. So progress, whatever, 1%. But anyway, we'll go ahead and let it do that. Reinstalling original software. There's reformatting the Windows partition of your hard disk drive. That's done. Now it's just reinstalling original software. It'll take a little time, so I'll just let the video just go ahead and record, and it'll keep it on screen, and I'll be back in a few minutes. So we'll just go ahead and let that take care of that, and just let it format and do whatever there. And I shall return. I'm going to turn that light out. That makes it a little bit better probably. Alright, so I shall return in a little bit. shall return. 58%, so we're getting there. Pretty close, pretty close. That usually takes a little time. So what I'm going to do, I am going to pause the video. Alright, well, we're at 99% now. We're just about finished. We just let it kind of run, and not too much longer. Yep. Just so you'll see how this works, you know. So, figure out your address. Should have asked you that. But you don't really need that. I don't think. Alright. Restoration complete. Once your system restarts and you finish the initial setup of your computer, you will need to perform some additional important steps. Update security files from Microsoft and HP. Reinstall software that did not come with your computer. You know, your stuff like off your external drive. And restore any files that were backed up during this process, if applicable. Click finish to restart your computer now, which we will. And she will come up, HP. Very nice, look good screen. One little problem, I forgot about this little corner spot up here. It needs to be wiped off, but it was like a little badge on there with a sticker, and that stuff's hard to come off, so you probably can get it off. Setup is updating registry settings, is what it's doing now. So give it a few minutes and just go from there. And see what setup is starting services. This is what it does like when you very first get your computer. Well, it doesn't start what it does, it's already done. It just comes up it doesn't format and all that. It just, when you first turn the computer on, when you buy them, it'll come up screen, you know, and get it ready, put your name and all that stuff in there. That only takes minutes, you know. But yeah, it's almost done. Really didn't take that long, you know. It's about when I started, about 6 or 7 minutes. Setup is installing devices. Installing devices, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 31, 37. You can see how fast it is. 41, 47, or, you know, percent, 50, 52, 54. This is pretty quick. I mean, for a dual core, it's pretty quick. 73, 86, 100%. Well, that's pretty quick. It was like not even a whole minute there. Setup is applying system settings. But just be sure you watch this whole video so you know you'll know exactly how to set this computer up. Setup will continue after restarting your computer. But yeah, just make sure you do this process. But when you reboot the computer, just remember to press F11 about 2 or 3 times, and it'll, like right there, it was just right there a second ago. Those are your options, but I wouldn't do it unless you're fixing to do that. Alright, starting Windows. Yeah, you're gonna love this, man. Starting Windows, Windows 7 Home Premium. Oh yeah, really good. Better than XP or anything. I like XP, but you know, anyway, setup is preparing your computer for first use. That little deal there, that's pretty cool. But anyway, just kind of watch how I do it, and then you'll know how to redo your whole computer. You get viruses or anything, you never know. Anyway, welcome. Windows 7 Home Premium. Right there. Whoop, right there. Yep. Ha. And I'll go ahead and do a wipe down on the computer, you know, clean it up, and I'll get the vacuum in the morning, early in the morning. I'll go ahead and blow it all out. Take the side cover off and stuff. Alright. Size prep is working. Processing cleanup phase. Okay. Home network. You know, I got to get online so I can go ahead and get everything set up for you. Let me see. Okay, Netgear 45. I got to get it connected to mine. Yeah, it's rebooting again. It's got to do all this process a couple of times. Starting Windows, but I got to get all your information in here first. Keyboard and stuff, a little dusty and stuff. I took every one of these keys out about a couple months ago, cleaned each one individually. Took me quite a while, but I got it all back together. It's clean now. Yeah, setup is preparing your computer for first use. Yeah, it's going to do that until it gets everything set up. So we're getting there. We are getting there sometime today, or actually this morning. Jeez, it's like 12:54 a.m. in the morning, February 5th. Ugh. And whew. Setup is checking video performance. Uh-oh. Oh, great. Excuse me. God, wait. Darn place here is dusty. Got them allergies. Ugh. I hate that. Sneeze. Right in the middle of a video. Oh my God. Alright, here we go. Set up Windows. Windows 7 Home Premium. As you can see right here. It might be a little hard for you to see the video, but it's the best way I could do it like this. Country regions, United States, time and currency, English, keyboard layouts, US. You don't have to mess with that, it's already preset. Next. Type a username. Let's see. C-H-A-R-L-E, Charles. I'm just going to type Charles for, just your name there. Charles/HP, it's already there. Unless you want a last name, I don't think you do, so I'll just keep it at Charles. Next, type a password recommended. We're not gonna worry about that. You can do that later. Next, yes, I accept the license. Just go ahead and do that. You ain't gotta read all that stuff. It's general stuff. License. Next. Go right, help protect your computer and improve Windows automatically. What you want to do is go ahead and just click anywhere right here, use recommended settings. So I'm going to click in there. Your time, let's make sure the time is correct. It's 12:56, which that is not right. We're going to change that to Central Time.